Hello everybody, Sporty Gamer here. Today we're gonna play Little Alchemy again. As you can see, I've unlocked a lot of elements of camera. We got brick, city, coal. I got flower, and garden. I got house, mud, pressure, sea, swamp, village, wall. Yep, I got all of these. Cool, right? Look at me, I'm producing flowers. I'm producing coal, garden, brick, pressure, city, mud, wall, house, village, swamp, 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 infinite swamp. Okay, so today we're gonna keep continuing. My target for today is 45. So let's go. Cloud and cold. Why not try? Flood and fire. Burn it. Flood and energy. Tsunami. I want to see tsunami. Wind and energy. Give it an hurricane. Hurricane. Have a plus flood. Flood. No. Gas here. I still don't know what's gas here for. Burn the tree. Burn it. Burn the tree. As you can see, I didn't unlock stone yet because I'm confused apparently. Swamp and tobacco. Nothing. Energy in swamp. Life. Ooh. The energy of life. How about life and life? More life. Oh no. Water and life. Plankton. Oh, I'm going faster than I thought. Plankton and plankton. Ooh, look at this. Infinite plankton. Whoa, looks nice. Pressure and pressure. Nothing. Let me try it again. Pressure and pressure. No. Let me try C and energy. Come on, work. 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 I'm producing energy. Look at me. Energy. 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 C. 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 No more C. I'm now stuck. Energy for explosion. More energy. Fire energy. Add the fire into energy. Burn the energy. Burn the energy. Burn it. Burn the earth. Lava. Burn the air. Burn the air. It's energy. Ooh. Burn the algae. Nothing. There's ash. Ash. I'm gonna be the very best. Oh, I'm singing Pokemon now. Yay. Try to create stone. I know, but how? How, Little Alchemy? Tell me how to do this element. Let me think properly. How to make stone. Let me think about Minecraft. You burn cobblestone to make smooth stone. So is there stone here? I mean like cobblestone. Burn the coal. Burn the coal. Obsidian. How about you? Burn it. Tobacco. Burn the city. Burn the city. Burn the city. Burn the explosion. Burn the explosion. I'm producing fire and explosion just now. Burn the eruption. Burn. Burn. Earth, volcano, plus fire, plus energy, eruption, and ash. I'm gonna be the very best. I'm singing Pokemon again. Oh no. Come on. I need to think about this. Fire. Where are you? And garden. Flower and fire. Flood and fire. Gunpowder and fire. Explosion. Which I don't want. Horizon. House. Burn the house. Burn the house. You know you can burn the house. Plankton. Burn the plankton. Plankton and plankton. Nothing. Pressure. Give pressure. What is plankton? Life and water. Give it more water. Life and house. Life and more life. Life and plant. Life and lava. Nothing. Horizon. Life in air. Bird. I create bird. Ooh, look at this bird flying. I'm flying. Eat cold bird. Eat it. Pa 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 pa. Bird in the sea. Swim in the sea. Seagull. Oh, we reached 45. As I said, we reached 45 and I'm gonna stop here. So thanks for watching. Look at this seagull fly. See so many seagull. Seagull. Look at this number of seagull. Like for more Little Alchemy. Subscribe for more daily videos. Ooh, daily videos. Daily videos. And peace out.